Hey guys, Michael here. Whether you use the conveyor or just the opening slot of the conveyor to slide material through there, I'm going to show you how to find the working area on the left-hand side and the right-hand side of that P3. Stick with me. Let's get to it. What I need to know is where are the extents, how far left and how far right that laser will go when it's in conveyor mode. So to prepare for that, now I know it has lines, but I want to know exactly where it's at because these lines may be just guesstimates. They may not be exact. So I put painter's tape all the way across, and I did it on both sides. So I am in conveyor mode, and here is my idea of my setup. I made a box that is 20 inches long, and I put 4 little marks at the corners, and those are set to score. I believe I'm doing 20% power, 200 millimeters per second. All right, before I get started, I need to measure the distance to the tape. I have this box that I made in my Atom video. It's about the same height as the tape when it's sitting on the slats. I'm gonna put it back here in the middle, and I'm gonna set the focus real quick to that. Over here on the right, I'm gonna set the thickness. I'm just gonna click it, and it's gonna measure to that box. All right, now that I have that, I'm going to come over down here on the bottom, and I'm going to process to see if it will score my 2 little lines. All right, here we go. Lid is closed. Let's press the button. Ooh, that worked. You can see my lines on my tape. What I'll do next is take my straight edge ruler, slide it in there, line it up with the actual score lines, and then I'm going to mark the top and maybe the bottom down here as well, just with a marker or a pencil or something, just so I can have a nice line to know exactly where it's at. And check this out, it is not where that line is. So yeah, I'm glad I did this so I'll know exactly where I can cut and where my extents are of this. Once I had the tape scored and put the ruler across, I used a combination square to put this on the top lip here, and I pushed this down until it just touched the top of that ruler. And then I started marking all of my spots around the edge. I did the same thing back here. So I'm just using a pencil. And then I'm going to go ahead and mark another spot down here on the bottom, because you can see they have a mark here, but that's not the right spot. So I'm just going to put this here, extend this down, and make sure I'm lined up with that mark at the top. And I'm going to use my pencil to mark against that right there. Let me just make sure I didn't move anything around. Just like that. And I can't do this with one hand, but I'm going to take my pencil and mark that spot just like that. Here is the final result of me finding the working area at the conveyor. As you can see, it's a little bit off on this side, and this line gets carried all over to the back. And you can see that line just a little bit to the left, the original mark. This side is a little bit closer, and I have the mark front and back, so I know exactly where the working area is of the P3. And when I put a piece of wood in here and I want it to be straight, I can line that wood up on the left hand side or the right hand side of my marks, so I know that board's going to go through there straight. Appreciate you watching. I'll see you next time.